In Jiaqing era called Wu-Wei, delicious smoked duck and ox tongue biscuit flourished with all-promising trade, famous for its culture and education. A poem by Linking368Taiwan. Hello everyone, I'm Christina. Today, Linking368Taiwan has brought us to Yilan City. Yilan used to be an old city, but the facade of this train station has a very innovative and cute design. Are there other places as cute as this place? Let's check them out today. Whoa, if you didn't tell me, I'd probably think I am standing in front of the Hogwarts Express. But look carefully at the words on the train, it says Yilan Express. We are actually in Yilan's Dududang Forest Square. Surrounding us are the works of Jimmy, a world-renowned artist. This is also an Instagram check-in attraction. So, I will take a selfie here. Apart from the Dududang Forest, the Jimmy Park next to the train station also attracts many domestic and foreign tourists. Walking in the park, you will unknowingly wander into the fantasy world of Jimmy's picture books. The walk in the park also kicks off our trip at the old city of Yilan. Wow, can you see the bus behind me? The illustration on the bus is also the work of Jimmy, the artist we just mentioned. I invited a fantastic tour guide to accompany us today. His name is Ziwei.
Hi, Christina.
Hi, nice to finally meet you.
Welcome to Yilan.
Thank you for having me.
I would like to thank you for bringing beautiful sunshine to us.
It's a pleasure. So today we are here to check out this Jimmy-themed bus.
That's right. Taking this bus is a must when visiting Yilan.
The Starry Night Express.
It can take you around the Kavalan Old City in Yilan.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Let's board the bus and go visit the Kavalan Old City.
Whoa, it's so cool in here.
This is what it looks like in the bus.
Oh, it's so cute. You mentioned the bus themed matches the story of Dududang Forest, right?
They are both about the Starry Night, a little boy and a little girl taking the train or the bus to Yilan to follow their dream.
Oh.
After taking the train through the tunnel, you will see the world's largest ocean, the Pacific Ocean, and then you will see the Turtle Island.
Oh, the Turtle Island.
And you will know that you have arrived in Yilan. Children from Yilan will know their home when we are taking the train. There are a lot of water drips in the tunnel. They will keep dripping and hitting the roof of the train, making the sound of dududang. That's why people in Taiwan made the nursery rhyme called dududang. It's so catchy that everyone can sing it.
Oh, how does it go?
I'll show you. 回家行了一朵呀嘛一朵丢啊哟蹦康来，蹦康的水一朵丢丢，当啊一朵阿莫一朵丢啊一朵滴落来，噔噔噔噔噔噔噔噔噔噔。Hey!
Oh, I know this song. We did our fitness routines to this song when we were kids.
You also did aerobics?
Yeah.
Hey!
It is the most iconic nursery rhyme of Yilan. It invokes my childhood memories. It also captures the nostalgia felt by those who have left Yilan. Yilan City is located in the center of Lanyang Plain. When the Han Chinese first came to cultivate, they called this place Wu-Wei. After the Kavalan city was established, city construction began. Because people planted Taiwan crepe myrtles around the city, it was also called the Jiutong City. After the reform of the administrative divisions, the city was renamed Yilan. We have arrived at Yilan's most prosperous part. Of course, we have to visit the most popular places.
Now you are entering the largest traditional market in Yilan, Nanguan Market.
Nanguan.
And this market is called Beiguan Market. It is 120 years old.
120 years?
It doesn't look like it is 120 years old.
No, it doesn't.
So we have to learn about its history from the food, the people, and the stories here. It connects the past with the present. It started from Kavalan in the Qing Dynasty to the Japanese colonial period and to the era of the Republic of China. It even connects you with Southeast Asia and places all over the world. When you visit Nanguan Market, you definitely need to try the Hakka rice cake.
Hakka rice cake. Hi.
Hello. Let's learn more about this food stall because its Hakka rice cake is a must-eat at Nanguan Market. Its flavor is unique to Yilan. It is made of salted speckled beans. It has a gingery taste, savory and sweet.
Wow, they have really a lot of customers.
Business is good, right?
Yeah, business is booming.
Be sure to visit them when you come here.
I can't wait to try the rice cakes.
Yes. All the foreign tourists that tried it were amazed by the taste. I can't wait to see your reaction.
Amazing.
Savory and sweet, right? What is stuffed in it? Speckled beans. We mix shredded ginger with vegetables to turn it into natural minced ginger. Then we stir fry it with the beans. Using speckled beans is unique to Yilan. The texture of speckled beans is similar to that of mung beans.
Not bad.
Throughout Taiwan, only Hakka rice cakes in Yilan are stuffed with speckled beans. Minced ginger is mixed with salted speckled beans. Next, let me introduce you to a handsome guy who sells steamed glutinous rice.
Hi.
Hello.
Nice
Hi.
to meet you.
What is your name?
Christina.
Jason.
Jason. Oh, all Jasons are handsome.
This is Taiwanese turnip cake. This is Taiwanese taro
Ooh.
cake. Finally, just freshly fried.
Wow, thank you, Jason.
It's delicious. Try it.
Oh, it's hot.
It's hot.
Oh,
It has that signature Taiwanese flavor. Yes, Jason was a supermodel. Did you know that? Why did you return to the market to make turnip cake? I returned to help my mother with her business. Right. Besides turnip cake, their steamed glutinous rice is also very famous. So the market really makes you feel the human touch.
yeah.
No matter how hard you work in other fields, eventually you still want to come home so your family business, your memories growing up will become what you do.
Nanguan and Beiguan Market has the human touch everywhere. Here, not only can you enjoy purchasing food and daily necessities, but also meet masters hidden among the people.
Christina, let me introduce you to a master who works at a century-old store.
Wow, he's so fast. He's touching that pan with his hand.
I will ask the master to let you experience the century-old craft.
Master, how long have you been doing this? The store seems to be 100 years old.
It is more than 100 years old.
Whoa.
I alone have worked here for almost 64 years.
Oh, no wonder you're so skilled. Can I try it? Or can you teach me how to do it?
Sure. First, grab the dough.
Grab the dough.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, pull
1,
the dough
2,
up,
3.
pinch it off with your little finger.
This? Okay.
Grab more dough.
It's not easy. Like this?
No, let me grab the dough
Not
for
enough?
you.
Okay. Whoa. Oh, then why do you do this move?
To make it round. The dough should be round so that the
Round.
spring roll wrappers will be round. Right.
Okay. It feels kind of weird. Is that right?
You will get used to it eventually. Put the dough down.
Okay.
Watch my moves.
Okay.
Throw the dough down, press it, pick it up as soon as you turn it around.
And then you make a thin layer of spring roll wrapper.
Right.
1, 2, 3. Oh, master.
I'll throw the dough in the pan for you. It'll be quicker that way.
You're so smooth.
Press it down.
Okay. Press it down.
Yes, now pick it up.
And pull it up.
Right, that's it.
Okay. Like that.
It looks great.
Really?
Yes. Make another one.
Okay. Make a circle.
Pick it up. It looks beautiful.
Really?
You're very good at this.
The master didn't want to embarrass me. Making spring roll wrappers really requires real skills. The master Wang Zhiqian is the third-generation owner of Gongping House Spring Roll Wrapper Store. He started running the store on his own at the age of 15. The store is over 100 years old. Spring rolls made with its spring roll wrappers are fragrant, chewy, and delicious. And you can be a little trendier. Add peanut powder, ice cream, and some cilantro to DIY a peanut ice cream roll in the summer. It is just as delicious. Next, Ziwei is going to introduce me to another hidden noodle-making master. Is he the master?
Yes, he is Mr. Lee. Hello, Mr. Lee.
Hello. I heard you are very good at making noodles.
It's true. He is good at making noodles. And he once went to the United States to teach locals how to
Really?
make noodles.
Then Mr. Lee's English must be very good. No? Mr. Lee, you sell many kinds of wrappers here. Are these dumpling wrappers? And there are also...
Wonton wrappers. These are wonton wrappers. These are thick and chewy noodles. These are regular ramen noodles.
Oh, ramen noodles.
That's what we use for seafood ramen. These are the kind of noodles...
Unique Yilan noodles.
Yes, Yilan noodles are especially thin. Yilan used to be a rural society, so people had to eat quickly and resume farming right after. That's why Yilan noodles are so thin. People made their meals fast. Yilan noodles cook very quickly, and so people could return to work quickly after eating.
Oh, does the master really make everything by hand?
Every day the master works in his workshop. He mixes the flour in different proportions with different ingredients to make the noodles with different shapes on this table.
Wow, I assume that the master has worked here for a long time.
Yes, a long time. How old are you? 70? More than 70. Jimmy, how old I am? How old are you this year? Over 60 years old. He has been making noodles for more than 60 years. I myself have worked here over 60 years.
It is truly the oldest traditional market in Yilan. The masters all have more than 60 years of experience. The variety of noodles gives us a glimpse of Yilan's noodle-loving culture, created by the hardworking farmers in the early days. If you have a chance, you are welcome to visit Nanguan and Beiguan Market. I'm sure that every corner and every store here can offer you the most authentic experience of Yilan.